In removing a 55 barrel and screw, in order to get the barrel out, the screw has to be removed at the same time. First of all, to do that, you want your heaters on to soften any leftover material in the barrel, and your timer's off. And then you would start by using a 3/16 Allen wrench and removing the guard. And then at that point, then your barrel, your heaters are up to temperature. You start your hydraulic. You take your purge tray, you put it in here, and what this will do, it will allow any excess plastic left in the barrel to come out. Then when your timer's off, because if the timer's on, it's an automatic cycle, so you don't want it to run automatic. You come to your carriage, you bring it down. You're against your purge tray. When that happens, you would go to your inject, and you turn your switch to inject. That brings this down. That will get any plastic left in the barrel out, and at the same time, that lowers your screw down as far into the barrel as possible. And using the 3/16 Allen wrench, you will go into the shoulder bolt and you will remove it. The shoulder bolt is what connects the screw to what I call the bearing housing or injection housing. Once that is removed, at this point, you can take your retract and your inject and take that up. Now, when you've completed that, you will raise the carriage again. Then at that point, you can shut off. Now using a 3/32 Allen wrench, you come in to your nut and you loosen the set screw, which once this is tight, holds this into position. You loosen that up, and that will allow you to loosen this nut later. Now the further this is down, the easier the barrel is to come out. Now at this point, you would have to go to the back of your panel and unplug your heaters and thermocouples. Then you would come back out to the front, and you would have to find a wrench large enough to fit over this nut. And when you do that, find that, you tighten it on, and then you move it to loosen that nut. Now you loosen the nut, the barrel will fall down onto these V's. You got that out, and then you would loosen, you have to loosen this nut and back this out first. This is a 3/4 inch wrench and a 3/8 Allen wrench to back this out. Then you would remove the nut. This will drop down onto the V's. Shut your heater off and leave it the temperature cool down. And when that is done, now you will remove the barrel out and screw out this way.